How to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. To check, open Play Store or App Store and then tap search icon and then search WhatsApp. If there is any updates, update it to the latest version. Now tap to open it. Log into your account with your credentials and tap a particular chat where you want to delete WhatsApp messages for everyone. So let's type a message to this users. After that, you need to simply tap and hold the particular message and tap the chat or the trash icon at top right and then tap delete for everyone. Now tap on OK. Now this message has already been deleted for everyone on WhatsApp. So that was very quick and easy. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.